Let me turn that. Look. Can you believe
Hi.
it? He's wearing red. Remember him, everybody? Remember that's Jason Barber, former candidate for mayor of Portland.
Portland City Council.
Oh, Portland City Council. Well, candidate for Portland government. How are you doing? What are you doing? What brings you to town? You live in Seattle still?
I actually went to Spokane
Oh, you live in Spokane.
for school. I'm going to Eastern Washington.
And this is your shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Eastern Washington University.
Yeah.
Eagles.
Yeah.
That was my hometown. Had the Eagles. The Sharon Eagles. Were they the Eagles? Yeah. Cool. So how is it?
Awesome. It's wonderful.
Yeah. What year are you in now?
It's my senior year.
Oh,
Finally.
You look the same.
I
You
know.
look young.
Everybody says that.
Yeah, you look so. What about Spokane Transit? You've done any?
It's wonderful.
Spokane Transit's wonderful.
Yes, it is.
Why?
Well, for one, they have a really wonderful plaza that you can wait in indoors, and it's heated during the winter and everything. It's air conditioned in the summer. The buses are actually time transfers in downtown, so you can get to where you need to go and transfer to whatever other bus you need, and actually have the time to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Really.
Well, can't be better than TriMet.
I will say the biggest caveat is there is a lot less service, especially on the weekends.
Right.
But it's very usable.
The service that they do have is usable.
Yeah.
I hear you. Don't you think this is usable? If you're in Portland, it would be more usable.
Yeah. If you're in Portland, definitely this is sort of usable. Like
Sorta.
I have to be honest. I was actually on the West earlier.
Yeah.
And like, for example, the train gets in. Here comes the 12 pulling out and leaving. Right as that's getting in. So if that was your bus, you're going to be waiting.
Yeah. Yeah, that seems to be a system-wide problem. Is nothing connects. Yeah. I don't know. Well, you know about as much about it as I do, so I don't have to preach to you. You know more. Well, nice to see you.
Oh, and by the way, folks, the coffee over here at Beaverton Transit Center is really good.
Oh, from him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I buy my coffee every day.
Nice.